Today we're gonna review the Magic Home app and the Magic Home ecosystem. Yes, hello, welcome. Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten, and today we're gonna do a review of the Magic Home. Welcome to the office. So here we got our desktop setup, and behind here we got our Magic Home LED strip, and this is for the cozy and nice feeling when you do your office work. From within the app, the Magic Home app, you can turn it off and you can also turn it on. And you can also change the brightness from 100% down to 0% and all the way up to 100%. You can also change the colors. So you can get that teal, you can get that green, you can get whatever color you want. Wow, what an amazing experience here. And you can also use the Google Home with this device. So for an example, stäng av lilla sovrum skrivbordbelysning.
Visst, släcker lilla sovrum skrivbordbelysning.
With Google Home we turned off that light now. Let's turn it back on. Sätt på lilla sovrum skrivbordbelysning.
Okej, tänder lilla sovrum skrivbordbelysning.
Wow, how efficient using the voice. Let's try to change the color. Ändra lilla sovrum skrivbordsbelysning till grön.
Visst, ändra färgen på lilla sovrum skrivbordbelysning till grön.
Wow, we changed the color with our voice. What an amazing technology, what an amazing device. Magic Home, the ecosystem here, it works perfectly with your Google Home device. It works perfectly within the app, and it gives you that efficient desktop office feeling for a budget price. So you do not need to buy that expensive Philips Hue. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna check out the scenes, add scenes. So we're gonna make a test scene here. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a light. We're gonna add this light over here. But we're gonna turn it to RGB. So we're gonna change the color so it gets more on the green side and on 50%. Okay? Then we're gonna add another light, and that is in the living room. And that one we're gonna have on blue on 100%. So whenever we press this scene, this light in this room will be on 50% with the green color, and the light in the living room will be on 100% with the blue color. So in whatever state the lights are, that is what will happen when we press this scene. Wow, and it really happened. We have the scene here, it turned green, and the one in the living room, we can presume that it turned on 100% blue right now. Let's make a group. So we're gonna do a group test here. And here in the group test, we're gonna assign device, and we're gonna take this light here in this bedroom and the light in the living room. So we have a group for these. So whenever we turn on this group and turn off this group, these two lights will be turned on and turned off. So let's now turn off this group, and the both lights turned off. Let's turn them on, and the both lights turned on. And we can see here that they both are turned on the app. We can see it. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here to this light in this room, and here on CCT we can change the warm white of the light. And on functions we can make a 7-color crossfade, so the light will fade with 7 colors in the time. We can make a red gradual change, so in time the light will change in the red spectrum. We can do a green, blue, yellow, whatever color you want, a gradual change. Yes, and we have the microphone function there, and it allows the microphone to be turned on and listen to music, and the light will be according to the rhythm of the music. And that was about it. This is the Magic Home app and the Magic Home ecosystem. Wow, what an amazing system and what an amazing ecosystem. This was a joy using Magic Home. Thank you so much.
Wow, what an amazing ecosystem, an amazing app, and really affordable for the price. Philips Hue, all credit to them. They are the best in what they do, but us students and us on a low budget, we cannot afford all of our products to be a Philips Hue product, so we have to take down the budget, and then the Magic Home is the perfect way to do that, the perfect second choice. I really vibe with Magic Home. Don't forget to comment on this video if you have any suggestion of another company that you want us to make a review on. Do not forget to share this video with any of your friends that are interested in smart home ecosystem and an alternative to the expensive Philips Hue. And also do not forget to like this video so we can grow this channel and so we can see your support. And do not forget the bell icon so you can get notified of all of our recent uploads, and the subscribe button so you can get all of our videos on your feed and we can grow together as a tech family here on YouTube.
Human and Suten.